Hello everyone! Today we demonstrate the standard 9-step error-free replacement procedure for industrial printhead UV ink. Step 1. Preparation. Pull the ink tube out of the bulk ink tank and wipe the tube tip with clean tissue to prevent residual old ink from contaminating new ink. Step 2. Drain the old ink inside the machine. Open the external pipeline port of the corresponding color printhead to start pressure draining. Follow the standard priming method strictly. Fold and tightly clamp the outer printhead pipeline, press the priming button, slowly release the folded hose, hold for 5 seconds, reclamp the pipeline first, and then release the priming button. Repeat the operation until all old ink in the pipeline is completely drained, then close the outer printhead pipeline immediately. Step 3. Clean the pipeline. Insert the cleaned ink tube into a cup of dedicated cleaning solution. After the machine finishes automatic ink pumping, open the outer printhead pipeline and repeat the same priming operation. Refill cleaning solution as needed until the liquid flowing out of the pipeline turns completely transparent. After confirmation, fully drain all cleaning solution from the machine and close the ink pipeline. Step 4. Pre-flush with new ink. Move the ink tube to a container filled with new UV ink, wait for the completion of automatic pumping, open the outer pipeline, and prime repeatedly with the same method to fully flush out residual cleaning solution inside the pipeline, then drain completely and close the pipeline. Step 5. Connect the official ink supply. Insert the ink tube into the original new ink bottle. If using a large ink tank, thoroughly clean the tank in advance before pouring in new ink, then start the machine's automatic ink pumping process. Step 6. Remove pipeline air bubbles. Open the outer pipeline and apply the standard priming method repeatedly until bubble-free ink flows out of the port. Secure the outer pipeline tightly to avoid air intake after confirming no bubbles, then close the pipeline port. Step 7. Vent printhead air bubbles. Continue ink priming to make ink eject evenly from the printhead nozzles. Gently wipe the printhead surface with a clean lint-free cloth after each priming to avoid scratching the nozzles, and repeat the process until ink from all nozzles is completely bubble-free. Step 8. Test printing performance. First, print a nozzle test chart to check for missing channels, then print a full solid test strip to inspect for large area nozzle dropouts, and print the nozzle test chart again finally to confirm all nozzle issues are resolved.